Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Rajma Masala. I've taken some Rajma, that is your red kidney beans. First get rid of any impurities like stones. Then soak it overnight. Next day wash and drain it 2 to 3 times. Then add it in a pressure cooker along with salt and water and pressure cook it for around 5 to 6 whistles on high flame. Add mustard oil in a vessel. Add some cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. Add chopped onion and saute till the onion turns light brown in color. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for few minutes. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder and saute for around 1 minute. Make sure the masalas don't burn. Now add the fresh tomato puree along with the residual water and mix well and cook it till it slightly becomes thick. Now add the boiled rajma and mix well. You can add more water of the rajma if you prefer more gravy. Cover it and cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the gravy gets a semi-thick consistency, add sugar, salt, Kasuri methi, chopped coriander leaves and Garam Masala. Mix and cook this for more 1 minute on low to medium heat. This can be served with your steamed rice. If you like this recipe, please do hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more videos.